that enables us to lead the marketing and
The Minister for Industry, Trade, Tourism, Lands and Mineral Resources, the Honourable Fayaz Sadiq Koya. Namo moana tuinani. Ratu uniani na wuniuthi. Ratu. The Permanent Secretary for Industry, Trade and Tourism, Mr. Sahin Ali. The Chairman of the Tourism Fiji Board, Mr. Andre Willian. The representative of the Turanga Tuilakau, former High Commissioner and Ambassador. Our valued members of the Fijian tourism industry, our valued international buyers and members of the media, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Nisambula Vinaka, and a very good evening to you all. It is such a pleasure and honor to be here this evening and to officially open the Fijian Tourism Expo 2017. For the last 4 years, the Fijian Tourism Expo has established and created long-term relationships within the industry for both exhibitors and international buyers alike. We expect this year's Fijian Tourism Expo to be even more exciting, but more importantly, a successful event for Fiji's tourism industry. I warmly welcome our visitors and friends, the 160 international travel buyers and members of the international media from across the globe who are attending this year's event. Nisambula Vinaka, and welcome to Fiji. Similarly, also Mbula Vinaka to those of you who are gracing our shores again this year. It is such a pleasure to have you back. I have been informed that some of the buyers who are present here today have traveled from countries such as Germany, United Kingdom and America, and closer to home from our traditional neighbors and friends from Australia and New Zealand. On behalf of the government and all Fijians, may I take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you for supporting our tourism industry in attending this week-long event. I would also like to thank all the members of our very own Fijian tourism industry who have done such a marvelous job in using this platform to showcase the diverse and exquisite products and services we have to offer our visitors. Strengthening existing partnerships and creating new ones is an essential goal for the Fijian Tourism Expo. And in view of this, we have retained the theme, which is considered prudent, Team Fiji, for this year's Expo. This theme is also considered timely and apt in identifying the tourism industry in playing a lead role as part of our national team with other stakeholders who have been most helpful in our collective effort in moving Tourism Fiji forward together. I've been informed that our 2016 Rio Olympic medal winning Fijian Sevens rugby team will be making an appearance at the Expo to play a game of touch rugby with some of our guests. Those who are young at heart, I'm sure it's going to be fun. Ladies and gentlemen, our Sevens team is a perfect example of great teamwork. They continue to be a source of inspiration for us all in working together to achieving our goals as individuals, organization, and as a nation. It is a brand which we hope to utilize to further promote Fiji's tourism industry. Ladies and gentlemen, it was the team spirit of the tourism industry that ensured the industry was able to turn around and maintain a healthy trajectory status for 2016, despite the devastating effects of Tropical Cyclone Winston on the nation, the most severe tropical cyclone to hit landfall in the Southern Hemisphere. Fiji recorded the highest number of visitor arrivals of 792,320 visitors, which was a 5% increase compared to 2015. Furthermore, total earnings also increased by 2.7% to about $1.6 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, the 2018 outlook for the travel and tourism sector remains positive and strong as the Fijian government and our destination marketing arm Tourism Fiji remain committed to supporting this growth. Our national airline, Fiji Airways, plans to upgrade 5 of its Boeing 737 aircraft to max 8 aircraft should greatly contribute towards enhanced visitor comfort for travelers who come to Fiji from the west coast of America, eastern and other parts of Australia, and from the island state of Singapore. Ladies and gentlemen, the Fijian government wants the tourism industry to continue to improve its income generating capacity. Therefore, it has embarked on mapping out strategies that would better consolidate and coordinate efforts towards enhancing the growth of the industry. In this regard, the Fijian government began work on the Tourism Development Plan, or Fijian Tourism 2021, to set the platform that should elevate tourism to a 2.2 billion industry by the end of 2021. Fijian Tourism 2021 is a whole of government and industry long-term strategy to build the resilience and competitiveness of the Fijian tourism industry and grow its economic contribution. It focuses on improving the industry's performance and competitiveness by pursuing new opportunities for growth and addressing supply-side factors. The objectives of the plan are to: first, expand visitor expenditure and tourism yield; secondly, to create a conducive environment for sustainable increase in visitor arrivals; and lastly, support development of a sustainable and inclusive tourism sector. In a nutshell, the Fijian Tourism 2021 is a comprehensive plan that aims to address the fundamental issues for the continued development of the Fijian tourism industry. This includes, among other considerations, environmental sustainability to complement the implementation of the Paris Agreement on climate change. It also includes caring for our oceans. The tourism industry could play a lead role in this area of sustainable development. You may have already noted that Fiji's Prime Minister, the Honorable Voreqe Bainimarama, is calling on the world to help address climate change, which is already becoming the most significant challenge for humanity today. Fiji intends to play its part not only through co-chairing with Sweden the United Nations Oceans Conference in New York next month, and presiding over the 23rd session of the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, or COP23 in November, but also in considering practical measures that will further reduce the carbon footprint from an already negligible level. Fiji will also work towards championing the interests of all Pacific Island countries and other low-lying and vulnerable nations and peoples around the world. As President and Head of State, I would like to challenge the tourism industry and all its stakeholders to come together as Team Fiji and work with government through the Ministry of Industry, Trade and Tourism to ensure that Fijian Tourism 2021 becomes a success. We want everyone to take ownership of this plan. It is your plan, not just the Ministry of Industry, Trade and Tourism's plan. Therefore, everyone from the relevant government agencies and the industry should work together to achieve the targeted outcomes and goals set therein. The Ministry has undertaken extensive consultations on the draft plan over the past few months, and it is continuing to receive favorable comments from stakeholders. If we do not work together as a team, we will not be able to achieve the vision set for the industry. Hence, as Team Fiji, we need to build on our strengths and find solutions to positively resolve our challenges and overcome our weaknesses. We will not be able to achieve the desired results if we keep dwelling on the past and not live and plan for the future. The strategies identified in the Fijian Tourism 2021 are the avenues for a bigger, better and more sustainable future for the tourism industry in Fiji. In summary, the plan focuses on building a resilient and productive industry that is focused on quality. This will be achieved by rigorous marketing of the Fiji brand, investment in infrastructure that lead to increased investment in tourism and related activities, focus on sustainable development, providing support for small and medium enterprises, building capacity within the industry, to name a few. Ladies and gentlemen, in conclusion, I wish to reiterate that effective partnership is vital for the growth of the tourism sector and to achieving the goals set for the sector. I call on the industry to support the Fijian Tourism 2021 and effectively contribute to the consultation process. We look forward to the continued support from all of you, our friends, our travel partners and tourism operators, because I believe that together we can achieve anything. With those words, I wish you all a productive and enjoyable time at the Fiji Tourism Expo 2017. And as we say in Fiji, Fiji is where happiness finds you. Vinawale, I will thank you. May God bless you all.